Hi everyone, you're welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how to cook fried rice using sardines or with sardines. Now in our previous video we used the fresh ones, however in this video we'll be using just a tin or can. So for our first ingredient we'll need rice. Your rice of choice matters so it does not end up soggy. I always say this. Secondly, we'll need some diced or chopped onions and tomatoes. We'll need our star ingredient, which is sardines, and whichever brand you use is perfectly okay, be it Titus and the rest. We'll need some seasoning cubes and salt. We equally need some ginger and garlic. I am going to blend to form a fine paste, however I won't use all. We'll need some cooking oil of choice, and this is mine. Whichever vegetable oil of choice you have is okay. We'll need some pepper. You can either blend or chop. Let us cook. For our very first step, we are going to add some oil to our pot, and then we are going to saute our onions. Mind you, our oil is already hot and we are going to saute our onions. I did not add so much oil because I do not want a lot of oil underneath. Saute your onions for 3 minutes on low heat, and then proceed to transfer your washed rice, and then you're going to stir fry on low heat. This is so that you do not burn your rice in the course of stir frying. Instead of the stainless steel spoon, please use your wooden spoon. I think that is preferable. We are just going to stir fry like this until our rice gets dry. As you can see, our rice is currently wet, so we are going to stir until it gets dry. This is to get rid of the excess moisture in the rice, so I would strongly advise that whenever you wash your rice, place in a colander to strain out the excess water so your rice does not stay too long on the fire. We are going to proceed to add our pepper and continue to stir fry. Now you're going to make sure to incorporate everything properly, then proceed to add your tomatoes. This is the step I would love for you to know, which is you can add your tomatoes in the course of frying your rice. It will still cook. One thing I love about this particular rice is the ability to cook it within just seconds. You can actually just go through the other step, which is to fry onions, fry tomatoes, stir fry rice, and then add seasonings, add water and cook. That is basically just it. That is the jollof route. However, this is the fried rice route, so there is a difference between both in terms of taste. After stir frying, we are going to add some salt and some seasoning cubes together, and then proceed to add some water. As you can see, my rice is not burnt. You did not see any part of my rice looking so brown, dark. This is to say you do not fry your rice until it gets burnt. Now we are going to add some ginger and garlic paste, then proceed to give it a good mix and cover your pot. Let it cook. So these are minimal ingredients to achieve a yummy pot of sardine rice. Once our water is dry, we are going to mix everything together so every single grain of rice is properly cooked. I am now going to proceed to add my sardine oil as well as my sardines itself. I did not add my sardine oil from the start because I did not want to lose the fresh sardine flavor. Now I am pissed because of just 3 sardines that I get to see. Hence the reason why a video will be coming up on how to make your own sardines at home. In situations like this, you can just scatter your sardine fish into the pot. This is extremely tasty. This is perfect. So if you've watched till this extent, my name is Lamin and I create content on food and lifestyle. Please do not forget to subscribe so you are going to be informed each time I upload a new video, provided you turn on your post notification bell. Equally, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found this helpful. Do not forget to share. Others are looking for quick meals to cook for their families, and I'm sure this will be helpful to 1 or 2 people. Now we are going to garnish with some green pepper, and that is it. Our rice is ready. This rice got finished that same instant, so I got parchment paper to trap the steam, and perfectly served and everything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll link the video on how to make sardines and on how to cook fried rice with fresh sardines underneath the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.